Upgrading a compact kitchen, outfitting a modern secondary cooking space, or replacing an aging built-in unit without sacrificing high-end culinary performance usually means hunting for specialized hardware that balances power with a smaller cutout footprint. The 24-inch built-in electric single-wall oven streamlines small to mid-size kitchen layouts by packing robust thermal capacity, true convection mechanics, and multifunctional versatility into a streamlined, space-conscious stainless steel chassis. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-output 3000W heating architecture paired with an efficient European convection system. Driven by a 240V power supply, the oven heats up rapidly and maintains uniform cavity temperatures by continuously circulating hot air. This eliminates hot or cold spots, ensuring that delicate pastries, roasted meats, and daily bakes receive even heat distribution. Versatility defines the user experience through an extensive suite of 10 dedicated cooking functions, spanning standard baking, convection roasting, broiling, fermentation, thawing, and specialized steam-assisted modes. Operation is managed seamlessly via an intuitive smart touch control panel and bright LED display, backed by a programmable built-in timer and an automatic child safety lock for peace of mind. Built with a generous 2.5 cubic feet interior capacity and multi-rack support, it handles substantial family meals while remaining wrapped in a durable, easy-to-clean stainless steel exterior featuring a multi-layer insulated glass door and an EAT-YEL certification for safety. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies on a standard 240V electrical connection and a 24-inch cutout width, you will want to verify your cabinetry dimensions and wiring setup prior to installation. Additionally, while its 2.5 cubic feet capacity is remarkably efficient for compact footprints, households accustomed to massive commercial width 30-inch ovens cooking giant multi-pan holiday feasts will find its internal width more constrained. So, who is this really for? This wall oven is an absolute home run for apartment dwellers, urban homeowners, kitchen renovators with tight spatial constraints, and passionate home bakers who want full-size convection performance and multi-mode versatility without a bulky footprint. If you are cooking for a large extended family or require massive commercial baking sheets on a daily basis, a larger 30-inch double oven setup will better match your volume requirements. Is it worth the money? If you value rapid 3000W convection heating, modern touch controls, comprehensive cooking functions, and EAT-YEL certified safety built into a sleek 24-inch frame, it is an exceptionally smart, space-saving investment for your kitchen.